Fear. Fear is something that we all face. And to be honest, I feel like two things are true about the world that is always a constant: taxes and fear. It's in our nature to be fearful and afraid and scared. And this week, I had to face and acknowledge my fears. And the truth of the matter is that I am afraid of everything. I'm afraid of going outside. I'm afraid of making connections. I'm afraid of being in love and being loved. I am afraid of the future, and I am afraid of the past. I am afraid of succeeding, and I am afraid of failing. Everything you could possibly think of, I am afraid. I was afraid to start this channel, and now I'm afraid to delete this channel. But the truth of it is that I am afraid, and I don't want my fear to kill me. I don't want to feel like this. I want to feel like I have strength and I could do things that I set my mind to and complete it fully. Like a person who was meant to be there, who's always supposed to be there. But I'm not there yet. This week has taught me that. My fear eats away at me. And though I try to combat it, it's hard. No one's not gonna say that. Fear is hard to conquer. Fear is hard to live with. But the truth of it is that it's possible. It is 100% possible. I know some of you don't believe that right now. Even I don't believe it. But I feel like I will see it one day. That I could get through it. And I could manage it. And I think that's the only thing that's keeping me going. I feel like I'm at my wit's end, but I'm not. I feel like everything I try isn't good enough. But it is. And those are those moments that scare me. Being afraid has dictated my whole life, and I've never had anyone to hold my hand through it. And that's why I feel so afraid to today's standards. I have to do this alone. And it may not be how I want it to be, but it's how it is. And I kind of want to do it alone. To know that I am capable and I got my back. Because for a very long time, it's been scary to know that no one has had my back. Or no one has shown up for me the way I needed them to. And only I could show up for myself the way I needed myself to. And it's not a slight to the people that I love. It's just my brain functions in weird ways, and it needs things that some people aren't capable of giving me right now, or it doesn't understand how to take it and be happy in that standard. I need secure comfort and stability and rituals and routines in the most strictest form ever. And sometimes the people in my life can't fulfill that. That's okay. I don't blame them. I'm a complicated person because I lived a complicated life. And that's no one's fault. It's absolutely no one's fault. So this week I had to work really hard to understand that I am afraid. I am a constant, evolving person. And I need stability. And I need comfort woven together to make me even feel like my feet are below me. I do wish things were different in my life, but you cannot change the past, but it can change my future. And if I want my future, I have to change. And that is a truth. I feel like this video was very rambly, and I'm sorry. It's just I'm going through a lot mentally for the past weeks, and these videos kind of help. They are kind of like a diary entry, and so I appreciate that. What is something you fear in life? Or you fear in general? It could be about anything. How do you plan to get through it? If you want to. Do you want to? Some of us don't. Some of us are, as in the previous videos, comfortable. But I hope you're ready to be uncomfortable and you feel like you could do it. So, yeah. In case no one told you today, you are amazing and special and loved. And don't forget that. Thank you. Eventually, Kanojo.